Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Panda Airline. Our IATA code is PA, and our home airport is located at Chengdu Tianfu International Airport. Speaking to our departments, we have 5 major departments of our company, which are operational, marketing, financial, HR, and development, and we are all managed by the CEO, Mr. Mike. Panda Airline is a domestic airline that based on Chengdu, China. The basic positioning of Panda Airline is a low-cost carrier that will apply effective strategies to reduce the operating costs to achieve the purpose of providing low-cost airfares to our passengers and generate revenue. Our vision is to provide opportunity to let more people have a chance to fly, and our mission is to offer safe and cost-effective flight, make our guests and employees be satisfied. Speaking to the demography, our target market is mainly focused on the people who are under the age of 50 with low and medium income, and they are always tourists, businessmen, and students. Looking to the geography, our target market is the people who live in or near our center hubs, and they are always price sensitive, and flight service and facilities are not their primary concern. And they are always less seasonal and travel frequently, and their travel purposes are for VFR, leisure, and business. To differentiate us from our competitors, packaging ticket can be applied as a strategy to attract more consumers. One characteristic of our target market is that they are price sensitive. Therefore, to attract passengers and make them be loyal to our brand, we can promote packaging ticket program. This is charging customers for a one-time fee for a year, and the people who bought this ticket can fly to anywhere that our airline covers for unlimited times within a year. Meanwhile, to reduce the operating cost, 2 strategies will be applied. As for the onboard operations, we will try to increase the seat number in the limited space, thus the seat configuration will be dense. Also, for the short flights, we will not provide in-flight meals or entertainments, and the cabin crew will be fewer. As for the aircraft operations, we tend to rent second-hand aircraft. Instead of buying new aircraft, we will also rent few types or even one type of aircraft in order to minimize the maintenance seats. Panda Airline will start a business which is focusing on the domestic market in China, operating many frequent short-haul flights within 3 hours between domestic cities. For example, Chengdu to Shanghai, Chengdu to Beijing, Chengdu to Guangzhou, and Shenzhen, and on the basis, gradually develop a wider business across the country. Our original hub is in Chengdu, Sichuan, and in the second year, we will develop other 2 hubs in Beijing and Guangzhou, operating more domestic flight routes. In the first year, we are planning to fly those major cities with relatively large population movements. For example, Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, and Shenzhen. The reason is that due to we are budget airline, the quantity of the air ticket sales is significant for our company. In second year, our timeline will expand to the second-tier cities. The goal of Panda Airlines is to become a regional low-cost airline with Chengdu Shuangliu Airport as our home port, on the premise that tourists can get to their destination on time and safely. They will provide low-cost transportation services by controlling cost, according to the different responsibilities of each department. KPIs are also divided into different contents, such as the customer ground reception service, survey score, market research report quality, flight profit ratio, company frequent flyer consumption points, model hourly income, luggage loss rate, plane execution rate, flight delay rate, and occurrence of errors. The company's goal in the next 2 years is to serve more than 200 million customers with a fleet of 30 Airbus aircraft and a market share of 4%, with a load factor of more than 87%. It is worth mentioning that 200 million is the total population of Southwest China, which also represents the company's hope that our cheap products can make everyone in the region affordable. Here is the overview of the strategies we will pursue to achieve our goals and KPIs. In order to achieve our goal, we have developed many strategies. First of all, increasing the number of seats while reducing the distance of gaps between seats. We will not offer food and entertainment facilities to lower the cost and then increase the profit. Lower costs will also be able to offer cheaper ticket price. Then, more customers will come to purchase. Secondly, passenger market share and company frequent flyer consumption points are quite similar. They are all about gaining customers and customer loyalty, and most KPIs that mentioned before all surrounding those two issues. We have to achieve the KPIs below in order to complete these two goals. Customer grounds reception service, like luggage loss rate, plane execution, flight delay rate, occurrence of errors. Here are the strategies. Strictly enforce the customer grounds, reception service standards to ensure our service quality, transport luggage as the way that customer require, arrange the flight crew schedule reasonably, punish the flight personnel who cause the flight delay, and 3 points of these delayed customers. Strength training and safety management, strictly in placement various flight operations specifications. For the rest of our KPIs, the market research report quality is used to improve the marketing research, and the flight profit ratio is used to increase the profitable airline and the number of airline. And lastly, the model hourly income is used to improve the quality of company revenue and prevent low price competition. Thank you for listening, and this is our reference list.